My name is Heather Beck of Heather's Heroes. I have been working with dogs for over 25 years. In shelters and rescues, fostered hundreds of dogs through my own home, started my own large breed and pit bull rescue, and adopted out thousands of dogs. I've even worked as an animal control officer. Canine Lifeline is my training, boarding, and daycare facility in Draper, Utah, where we work with all dogs, but have become world-renowned for socializing and helping difficult and aggressive dogs in our training-based environment. Early on, only a couple years into fostering and working with rescue dogs, I felt such a disconnect between tools and training and what the dogs actually needed to find new homes and stay in them. It was so frustrating. That disconnect turned to purpose. I knew these were good dogs. They just needed something different. This was a matter of life or death for these dogs if I couldn't help them. I moved from rescue into training and found my true calling. I've been able to save so many more dogs' lives and keep them out of shelters by teaching owners how to create better relationships through simple and effective tools and methods. Heather's Heroes brings those tools and methods to you. How would you feel if you could have a better relationship with your dog? Just imagine how nice it would be to have your dog walking calmly on a loose leash in any environment. This might not be for you, but if you have a dog that you're struggling with, this tool could save the day. Our signature and patented tool helps to safely calm excited, nervous, fearful, reactive, and aggressive dogs using naturally ingrained instincts. Every human that wants to help their dog is a hero, and every dog is a born hero in my eyes. This tool is created to help both, because every hero needs a sidekick. The sidekick is a 2-in-1 tool that works as a head halter or a slip lead. This is not just your average leash, it's a training tool. Using the sidekick and our methods, you will have a better relationship with your dog. The Dynamic Duo is a 2-in-1 slip lead and clip lead made from our signature soft rope that feels great in your hands and comfortable for the dog. This leash is designed to work with or without a collar and great for vet visits, hikes, and safely moving dogs around in shelter and rescue environments. The Power Trio is a 3-in-1 tool. It is a fixed collar, a slip collar, and a safety lead. Have you ever found yourself wrapping your hand up your leash to make it shorter in tight areas like a vet office, or not having a leash when you need it? The Power Trio solves these issues by having your dog carry their own leash, so it's available for those quick trips into the store. It also functions as a slip lead for more control when you need it. For more information on our tools, products, and training methods, please see our website. We look forward to working with you because we know a hero lives in you and with you.